Hello friends, today I'm going to show you my school. This is called Hamren Bosco High School. This is where I studied. This is the waiting shed where the parents wait for the children. And you see the neat and clean surroundings of our school. This is the entrance of our school. And here is the public display board where you can gather information about the schools. This step was not like that when I was studying here. Now it is well plastered. This is the playground that I played during my childhood. And this is where I learned so many things. I learned morality, discipline, self-confidence, and courage from this school. And I learned to face the world with positive attitude. This is the tree where we used to sit during the break time. It gives us fresh air. It gives us shades. You can see the neat and clean surroundings of our school. This is the ground where we used to have our morning assembly. We used to start our day with a morning prayer and news reading and so on. This is the primary section from class 1 to class 3. And you can see the basketball court. Since I came here during this lockdown period, there is no students and less teachers in the school. Here is Archeline, Madame Jolima's daughter. There, Madame Jolima is so beautiful. She is my niece Jangsik. She's taking me to the first floor to her classroom. There is Mary's statue. And now we are moving towards Jangsik's classroom. She is submitting her assignment papers to her class teacher. And here are some parents and teachers during this lockdown period. They are submitting their children's papers to the school. This is the view from the first floor. How beautiful it is, you can see. It's really beautiful. I would say that Don Bosco High School is one of the best schools in West Karbi Anglong, where there is smart class and smart teachers and all the good facilities of the school. I'm showing you again and again this tree because there lies sweet memories with this tree. Because this is a tree where we used to play during the break time and it gives us shade. We can find the edge of the tree, but it is all enough